How to use Thesaurus in Word. So first, go to your document, and then for example here you need to select the word. For example, I'm going to change the word preheat here to another word that has the same meaning. So let's say I don't know the word. You can just highlight the word first, like so, and then you can just click on review here at the top, and then look for Thesaurus, click on that, and then you can see a lot of the words that are similar to preheat. Alright, so let's say you're going to, once it's selected one of the words, you can see a lot more words here that you can use. Alright, so let's say I like this one, heat up. So I'm just going to right click on it, and then you can just click on insert to change the preheat to heat up. Alright, as you can see now it's been changed here. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.